how to play PUBG without emulator on PC. So if you want to play PUBG without emulator on PC, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have stable internet connection. After that, you just need to simply open up your browser. After opening your browser, you need to go with search. Under search, you need to search for Steam. After searching, you need to go with store.steampower.com, which will take you to the official website. Now here you need to go with install Steam, which is on the top right, and you need to go and install the Steam application. After installing Steam, you can open up your Steam application and then you can go with search, and you need to search for PUBG. After searching for PUBG, here you will have PUBG Battlegrounds, which is for free. So click on the option and scroll down, and here you will have an option of play game. So click on play game and you will be able to play the game only if you download the Steam. So make sure that you've downloaded Steam or that you have Steam, and search for PUBG, go with play game and start playing the game. That's how you can play PUBG without emulator on PC, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.